In this video, we're going to look at how to install Tosca customization DLL files. Tosca customization is based on C#. Customizations are created to either assist Tosca with steering controls or using custom modules in the form of special execution tasks. You can learn how to create customizations in our Automation Engineer Level 2 course. So in this video, we will only see how to install them. Alright, let's jump into it. We have two ways to install the customization DLL files. The first method is simple. After writing the customization, we will simply copy the DLL file and paste it into the tbox folder located under C, Program Files x86, Tricentis, Tosca Test Suite, tbox. However, in order to do this, you will need to have administrative rights or permission on your system. As some users might not have permission to copy the DLL files into this folder, let's look at an alternative way to install the DLL files. Create a new folder anywhere on your system where you have access to paste the customization DLL files. Next, you have to use the extension loading folder. A collection entry must be created for every folder which contains user-defined tbox extensions. Those are all DLL files. Collection entries can be named as desired, and the path to the folder containing the extensions is entered as a value. You can find this folder in Tosca under Project, Settings, tbox, Extension Loading. Simply right-click on the extension folder to create a collection entry. Give it a name, in our case path, and as value, enter the path of the customization DLL files before you click on OK. Once that is done, Tosca is ready to use the customizations. So in case of a custom control, now you can simply scan the application and Tosca will recognize your customized control. And in the case of a custom module or special execution task, at the time of execution of a test case, Tosca will look in Tricentis Home and in the collection entries and will call the customization DLL file and perform the requested operation. Alright, so those are two simple ways how to install Tosca customization DLL files. Thank you for watching.